Hello and welcome. I'm trying these new crisps. It's April. These are hand-cooked potato crisps, kettle and beetroot slices, goat's cheese and caramelized onion seasoning. Absolutely nothing artificial. Our delicious potato crisps, perfectly paired with slices of beetroot, seasoned with goat's cheese and caramelized onion. We're all about real food ingredients, hand-cooked British potatoes, deliciously tasty, gluten-free, absolutely nothing artificial, no artificial flavours, MSG or colours. Now, these are nice. Perhaps a little bit salty. But I'll show you. See, that's the ordinary, the caramelised onion one, and that's the beetroot. Sliced beetroot, salty. They are nice. When I saw them, I thought, I know I like beetroot in salads, but I've not really had it as crisps. But it's worth a try as you're having a party, future party, and you like to have a little something different. Who does them? Kettle and beetroot slices. Who does them? 100 grams is what I can say at the moment. Real foods, real pleasure. They are worth a try. So, if you're wanting to try something different, try those. Thank you for watching and bon appetit.